You are welcome to class. In today's lesson, we are going to see how to find the volume of a sphere and a hemisphere. So let's start by giving the formula. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r cubed all over 3. Volume of a hemisphere, which is half of that of the volume of a sphere, will be 2 pi r cubed all over 3. So let's see the first example. We are asked to calculate the volume of a hemisphere with diameter of 14 centimeters. So let's see how to do that. Since we are going to be needing radius, and we know that radius is given as diameter over 2. So we divide 14 by 2 and we get 7. So 7 is the radius. So we say our volume V is equals to what? 2 pi r cubed all over 3. So let's substitute in now. So we have 2 times 22 times 7 times 7 times 7 all over 3 times 7. Because pi is 22 over 7. So both 3 and 7 are in the denominator. So the 7 up can cancel one of the 7. So we now multiply the numbers in the numerator now. We got 2156 then divided by 3. So now our volume is 718.7 centimeter cube. So let's see the second example. We're asked to calculate the volume of a sphere with radius of 3.5 centimeter. So we say volume V is equal to 4 pi r cubed all over 3. So let's substitute in the value of the radius and the pi. So I have 4 times 22 times 3.5 times 3.5 times 3.5 all over 3 times 7. So we'll multiply the number in the numerator. We have 3773 divided by 21. 21, that is from 3 times 7. So the volume of the sphere will be 179.7 centimeter cube. So with these two examples, you'll be required to solve the following questions. So make sure you solve everything correctly. Thank you.